Remi 3000 Setup and Programming Guidelines. In this video, we will be showing you how to set up and program your Remi 3000 scent system. You will learn everything you need to know to make scent memorable in your space. Unboxing. Inside the box, you will find a Remi 3000 Aroma Diffuser, a 700 milliliter bottle with cap, a power adapter, a clear tube and a connector for HVAC installations, a spray cap for standalone use, keys, screws, green anchors, and a mounting strip template for wall mounting. Setting up your diffuser with aroma oil. Use the key to unlock the device and open the door. Swing open the bracket and remove the atomizer. Unscrew the cap from the bottle and completely remove any foil seal. Screw on the atomizer to the aroma bottle firmly. Do not over or under tighten the bottle. Make sure it's secured. Once the bottle is attached, do not flip it over as this may cause a diffuser to malfunction or stop working. Push the atomizer with the bottle attached into the diffuser. Close the bracket bar in place with the atomizer and close the door. Screw the small spray cap into the hole on top of the diffuser. Slide up the fan located on the back of the diffuser behind the spray cap. Plug in the device and turn the power switch on. Programming with the Aroma-Link app, available on the App Store and Google Play. Download and install the Aroma-Link app on your smartphone. Make sure your diffuser is turned on and Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Launch the Aroma-Link app and select Bluetooth. If your diffuser is turned on, it will show up on the device list with a default name. Tap your diffuser and enter the default password, 1234, to access the main dashboard. Once you have accessed the dashboard, you can change the name by tapping the default name at the top of the screen. Type in your desired name and tap Confirm to save it. The circle at the top is showing the hours of operation. The middle section shows the current date and time as well as the work and pause times, which refers to the diffusing cycles. There is the on-off button to power on or turn off the diffuser you set to access the programming settings, and a fan to power the fan on and off when using the diffuser as standalone. Tap Set to access the programming settings. You will notice the days of the week followed by 5 different programming configurations. To set a predefined program for the entire week, select all days of the week in the cycle section. All selected days will be highlighted in white. This means any program you set will be applied to the entire week. If you wish to set every day to the same diffusing times, deselect the bottom 4 programs. This way, only the first one is active. Tap the first program. You will see the 4 settings that make up your programming or diffusing cycle. The start time is the hour of the day that the diffuser will start diffusing. The end time is the hour the diffuser will stop diffusing. Work time is how long in seconds the device diffuses at a time. Pause time is the interval of time in seconds the diffuser is paused in between diffusions. In this example, we will program the entire week with the same hour of operations and diffusing cycles. Let's set our diffuser to start running at 9 a.m. and stop at 5 p.m. with a work time of 20 seconds and a pause time of 90 seconds, which is a good starting point. Once you have set your program, tap Save to go back to the Programming Settings menu, and then tap Save again to confirm your settings and go back to the main menu. If you wish to set a program on a specific day, select the desired day and set your program as previously instructed. Thank you for watching our Remi 3000 tutorial in how to set up and program your diffuser so you can start creating a memorable experience using scent in your space. Visit our website, reminiscentllc.com, for more information and follow our social media channels for updates and special offers.